Hey everyone, it's Chris Warner from the Lafayette team at eXp Realty, and today I'm here to talk to you about February 2022 market stats. We're a little under halfway through March, and while it is a rainy day here in the Columbia area, I think I've got some news that will brighten the day for homeowners here in this area. Maybe dampen a little bit if you're looking to buy, but maybe it might provide some urgency that now's the time. And here's why. Um, you know, Starting with the market as a whole here in the Midlands, listings continue to drop. Now, I will say year over year for February, we're only down about 5%. As I've been doing this throughout the past few years, that is not as substantial of a drop as we're seeing in some individualized areas. But again, guys, inventory continues to shrink a little bit. We've had some months where it peaks up, but the general trend is that it is continuing to go down. More importantly, especially if you're a homeowner, and this number is absolutely phenomenal for the Midlands as a whole. I would say historically we're like maybe a 2 to 5% year over year appreciation type of market. Guys, average sales price $298,000 in this market. I think when I got here a few years ago, that number was something sub 200, around about 180. Just a few short years ago, and that is up almost 20% year over year. And just as we've talked about month over month, as I've been doing these videos, days on market continues to drop, down almost 26% for the Midlands as a whole. As the Lafayette team, we specialize a lot in Lexington, so we always like to touch on that as well. In Lexington, 29072. Listings again year over year for the month of February have dropped almost 33% to only 83 listings in the last 30 days, excuse me. Crazier than that, this is truly incredible, is the year over year appreciation for the month of February for Lexington. Guys, 36%. I calculated that out by the number. It's over $100,000 difference, average sales price, 104, almost 105 year over year. That is absolutely insane. And then probably an even crazier statistic is average days on market, down almost 70% to a 10-day average if things are priced correctly, marketed correctly, etc. So, those are the stats. More importantly is, what does it all mean? And what it means is, I do this video month over month, and I wish I had some different news for some of the population out there that's in this market. But what it means is it's an exceptional time to sell your home, to potentially, cash out, refinance, but more importantly, sell your home, cash in on that equity, and take advantage of where we're at. I don't know how much longer this trend will continue at the incredible rate that it's growing. I do believe we are going to continue to see appreciation for the foreseeable future. But at this rate is just absolutely incredible. As a Lexington homeowner myself, these numbers have shocked me, and I look at this every single month. And for buyers, I don't say these numbers to discourage you. I say them to empower you with the knowledge and information that if you're sitting on the sidelines, guys, you've missed out, to date. And I know that it can be really difficult, and there are multiple offer situations, and sometimes we're paying over appraisal. Sometimes we're having to make split-second decisions. I understand, and I talk people through this every single day. But guys, the benefits that you've missed out on over the last year or 2 years by waiting on the sidelines for everything to be just right. I guess I would say, to make an analogy, you can't wait to leave your driveway until every light is green. You just got to take off, and you gotta try. And that's what we as real estate professionals are here for, is to help guide you through that, help reassure you that you are making a great decision. And I hope these numbers, while today, if you have not purchased and you have been on the sidelines, I know it's going to sting a little. I hope they also empower you to understand that, the decision, the price you pay today is not going to be the price that you may sell at in the future, in most cases. And while I can't guarantee that, these numbers continue to show that trend. And so when we rely on the stats and not opinions, we can make solid decisions. And so I say all that to say, if you are looking to either buy or sell in this market, especially selling, now's an incredible time. If you're needing to buy and you need a professional to help guide you through this experience, because while it is a financial transaction, it's a very emotional one right now. And our team's committed to helping you with those goals. So whether it's you or someone you know who might be looking, be sure to like our page and continue to follow as we talk about these things each month, give tips, things like that. And certainly, if there's anything we can ever do to help, feel free to connect with us on any of our various social platforms, or you can always reach us at 803-470-6442. Thank you, and I hope that you have a wonderful week. I look forward to bringing you some more news this time next month.